wonder what he pulled them over for, guys. I wonder what he pulled them over for. No warning? Sick ass fool. She's looking at me aggressive. Look, there's a mentor just go real fast. There's a mentor. She's gonna look away, guys. He's gonna call his partner right now. Look. He's gonna call her partner right now. Check it out, guys. She's on the radio. As soon as she puts the walkie-talkie in her mouth, I'm gonna film her. I'm gonna zoom into her. Just right here writing up tickets, guys. They're right here, right next to the crypto arena. They're over here writing up tickets. So he's literally writing up a ticket right now. Just a second, guys. Would you guys like to know what they put them over for? We're gonna ask them right now. Right now we're gonna ask them, guys. Let me see. I'm giving them no warning, no nothing. Just fuck it. I'm gonna just stop, pull over, give them a ticket. He's literally giving them a ticket, guys. Look. They know that the guy with the cameras around here. It's a little chilly out here, guys. Here comes another one, look. Comes another one. What you pull them over for, guys? What you pull them over for? Huh? No brake lights?
Have a great day.
All right, put your seatbelt on, though.
I will.
Put your seatbelt on. Before your car moves, you got to put for you, put your seatbelt on. Hey, man, put your seatbelt on, driver. The camera's not looking very good right here.
You need anything, sir?
I don't need nothing. I need your name and badge number. Yorona, put your window up. There you go. Crazy ass people right here, man. That's what they're doing out here, guys. Check it out. Put them more for that brake light. Crazy.